A lot of contractors dream about having a bigger business, more jobs, more employees, more revenue. But scaling a business is not just doing more of what you're already doing. If your systems are broken at small scale, making the business bigger just breaks them faster. Let me tell you how I think about growth. Stage one is just you. You're doing the work, building your reputation, learning what kind of jobs you want to do and which ones you don't. This stage is about survival and proof of concept. Stage two is you plus a small crew. Now you have to manage people and work at the same time. This is where a lot of contractors struggle because they're trying to do both and neither gets done well. You need to start letting go of some tasks and trusting others to handle them. Stage three is when you step back from the tools and focus on the business. You're estimating, managing, selling, and overseeing, not swinging a hammer every day. The key to moving through those stages is systems. A system for how you estimate, a system for how you manage jobs, a system for how you hire, a system for how you collect money. Without systems, every new employee and every new job creates new chaos. With systems, growth becomes manageable. Build the systems before you need them. That's how you scale with control. Follow this channel and visit yourtheboss.net.